In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync symbols across tabs and timeframes in TradingView. Let's begin by opening TradingView Desktop from your computer. If you need the official app page, head to tradingview.com/desktop. Once the application is open, look at the top tab bar. Click the left chart tab and confirm that it shows Nasdaq AAPL on a daily timeframe. Next, click the middle chart tab in the same top tab bar and confirm that this one shows Nasdaq AAPL on a weekly time frame. Now click the right chart tab and confirm that it shows Nasdaq AAPL on an hourly time frame. With all three tabs verified, it is time to put them in the same linked color group so the symbol can sync between them. Right-click the left chart tab in the top tab bar. In the tab menu that appears, click the purple color tag. Right-click that same left chart tab again to bring the menu back. Turn symbol on in the tab menu. After that, check the other sync options. If interval is on, click interval to turn it off. If time is on, click time to turn it off. And if date range is on, click date range to turn it off as well. Now move to the middle chart tab. Right-click it in the top tab bar and click the same purple color tag in the tab menu. Then right-click the right chart tab in the top tab bar and click the same purple color tag in the tab menu for that one as well. With all three tabs sharing the purple group, let's test the symbol sync from a single tab. Stay on the right chart tab for this part. Click the symbol search field at the top left of the chart. Search for Microsoft, which is Nasdaq MSFT. When the results appear, click Microsoft Corp in the symbol list. Now click the left chart tab in the top tab bar and confirm that the left tab now shows Nasdaq MSFT and still uses the daily time frame. Click the middle chart tab next and confirm that it now shows Nasdaq MSFT and still uses the weekly time frame. Finally, click the right chart tab and confirm that it shows Nasdaq MSFT and still uses the hourly time frame. All three TradingView Desktop tabs are linked with the same color tag, so changing the symbol in any one tab updates the symbol in the other linked tabs. The time frames remain separate because only symbol sync is on and interval sync is off. Congratulations!